how to remove voice in video audio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Gallery app. After click on Gallery app, click on Folder and click on Video. After click on Video, if you want to remove voice in video audio, click on this pen icon. After click on this pen icon, click on this audio icon. After click on this audio icon, click on audio eraser. After click on audio eraser, you will see if you want to remove, you will see. After click on apply edit and you will see versus remove. After the process, click on save copy. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove videos in video, remove voice in video audio on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.